Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute vanity mirror using items that I already had and some that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. For this project, I used 4 of the round mirrored candle holders, some of the Tower Game wooden pieces, some silver napkin rings, some of the self-adhesive diamond wrap in gold, and some of the silver diamond wrap as well. I also used some of these square mirrors and gemstones that you've seen me use in my last few projects. I purchased those from Michael's, my E6000, Gorilla Glue sticks, and glue gun. I have the complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use my E6000 and hot glue to attach 3 of the wooden towels to the back of one of my mirrored candle holders. I then added a second layer of the wooden pieces and then a second candle holder right on top. I then used my E6000 to attach the 1-inch mirrors around my candle holders. While my E6000 was still wet, I took some time to adjust the pieces so that they would be evenly spaced around my candle holders. I repeated those same steps to make a second piece, and I allowed both pieces to dry overnight. The next day, they were completely dry. I cleaned up any excess glue and moved on to my next step. I then used my E6000 to attach all 6 of my napkin rings together. I then covered my napkin rings with the gold self-adhesive diamond wrap, adding some hot glue just to the ends just to make sure that everything stayed in place. I use my scissors to trim off any excess diamond wrap, and then I use my hot glue gun to attach 4 rows of the silver diamond wrap and a couple of the gemstones right to the center. I also added gold diamond wrap around each of my candle holder pieces. I didn't like how the self-adhesive strip looked against the mirror, so I removed that strip from the diamond wrap and I used my hot glue gun to attach the diamond wrap instead. To support my mirror, I decided to use more of my wooden towel pieces. I used my hot glue gun to attach a little over 6 inches of the wood to the bottom of my mirror. This was the exact same length of the napkin rings that I glued together earlier. I also added one of the gems to the bottom center of both sides of my mirror. It was then time to put all of my pieces together. I started by using my E6000 to attach my napkin rings to the center of one of my candle holder pieces. Then I used my E6000 and hot glue to attach my top mirror. To complete the project, I added some of the gemstones around the bottom and top mirrors of my stand, and here was my finished look. I think this turned out really pretty, guys, and would be an excellent Valentine's Day gift. You can use the red or pink diamond wrap that the Dollar Tree offers to use your traditional Valentine's Day colors, or you can use your gold and silver colors. I chose the gold because I plan to use this in my master bathroom, and my accent color there is gold, so this will fit perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.